Welcome to the Morning Gratitude Christmas calendar to help you start your day with a positive attitude and reprogram your mind and subconscious mind, replacing those old negative beliefs with the new empowering beliefs. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a deep breath to clear your mind of thoughts, your body of stress, and your heart of worries. So inhale deeply, all the way down into your stomach, and exhale fully. Breathing in deeply, and breathing out fully. Filling your body with new energy as you breathe in, and releasing negativity and stress as you breathe out. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, calming your mind and relaxing your body. Now simply listen to this guided positive affirmation and let each word sink deep down into your subconscious mind. I am good enough. I may not be perfect, but perfection does not exist. I am smart enough. I may not have a diploma, but I am smart on life. I am pretty enough. I may not be a model, but even models have been corrected and filtered. I am funny enough. I may not be a comedian, but I always bring positive energy. I am rich enough. My wallet may be empty, but I'm still rich on love and life. I have enough. I may not have a lot, but I have what I need. So I realize that I am enough. Enough in every area of my life. So thank you for all that I have. I am a good person. I am a kind person. I am a compassionate person. I am spreading positive energy everywhere I go. And I am attracting positive energy every day of my life. I start each day with a smile on my face, a sparkle in my eye, and passion in my heart. I live each day with a purpose to be happy, to be cheerful, and to be fulfilled. I end each day with a feeling of accomplishment, achievement, and inner peace. I am truly good enough, and no one can convince me that I am not, 'cause I know my worth, and I love myself. Then take a deep breath, and then slowly open your eyes. Remember that you are an extraordinary person, and you will always be good enough. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I am JBittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.